Today we are talking about a story that is gripping Nigeria right now. The headline says it all. Tension rises, court issues final warning as Kanu's fate hangs in the balance. This is not just a legal matter. It is about politics, history, and the future of so many people. Before we go further, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates as we follow this story closely. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, is facing a very serious moment in court. The court has given him a final warning. If he does not open his defense, he may lose his chance to defend himself. This is a critical moment because the outcome could affect not just him, but a whole region and even the entire country. Kanu has been at the center of attention for many years. So he has consistently challenged the Nigerian government and has called for the independence of the Southeast region. This movement, IPOB, has millions of supporters, and any court decision can trigger strong reactions. The federal government has accused him of terrorism, and he has been in and out of detention while fighting his case. The legal system is now telling him clearly, you must present your defense or the court will proceed without it. The latest news is that the court has set November 20, 2025 as the date for judgment. This is a date that everyone should mark because it will decide the next steps for Kanu, his supporters, and possibly the region as a whole. Right now, he has dismissed some of his legal team and has decided to challenge the jurisdiction of the court. This is a very bold move. The judge, however, has made it clear that the law must be followed and delays will no longer be tolerated. Now, let's think about what this means for the people. Many in the Southeast are watching closely. They feel emotionally connected to this case because of history and past grievances. The way this trial is handled will send a signal to everyone about fairness in the country. It is about more than one person. It is about the rule of law and the perceptions of justice. For viewers at home, this is the moment to reflect on how legal processes work. If the court allows someone to ignore procedures, it could set a dangerous precedent. If the court enforces the rules strictly, it shows that the law applies to everyone, no matter how popular or controversial they are. This is an important lesson for citizens. Knowing your rights and responsibilities matters, and the legal system must be respected. Kanu's strategy is risky. By not opening his defense in the normal way, he is challenging the court directly. This is bold, but it comes with real consequences. The court has already warned him that further delays may mean judgment proceeds without his defense. This is a pivotal moment. It is not only about the charges themselves, but about whether the court process is respected and whether justice is seen as fair. This case also affects national stability. The Southeast region has a history of unrest, and any decision perceived as unfair could spark tensions. At the same time, a clear, fair, and transparent process could help calm the situation and show that the rule of law works for everyone. I want you watching this to really think about this. If you were in Kanu's place, would you defend yourself or challenge the process? What outcome would you hope for and why? Share your thoughts in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. The more people engage, the more we can have a thoughtful conversation about what is happening. The court has made it very clear. Kanu must act and time is running out. He has until the set date to present his defense, or the court may decide the case without him. This is a crucial legal point that will influence how his supporters react, how the government responds, and how Nigeria as a whole interprets justice. Now, the trial of Kanu is more than just a courtroom story. It is connected to national identity and the idea of unity in Nigeria. The federal government wants to maintain the unity of the country, while Kanu and his supporters push for self-determination. This clash of views is not new, but it is now at a very public and high-stakes moment. Every decision in this trial has consequences. If Kanu is allowed to challenge the process without following standard procedures, some people may see it as justice being flexible. If the court enforces the rules strictly, Others may see it as harsh or even political. The challenge for Nigeria is to balance justice, stability, and fairness in a way that respects the law and all citizens. At the same time, the role of media and public discussion cannot be ignored. Social media, news outlets, and community conversations all shape how people understand this trial. That's why it is important for you, the viewer, to stay informed and thoughtful. Do not just react to headlines. Look at the facts, consider different perspectives, and engage respectfully. Remember, the judgment is set for November 20th, 2025. Until then, the tension will continue. Kanu has a choice: present his defense or risk losing his right to defend himself. This is the turning point, and every move now will be analyzed by supporters, critics, and neutral observers alike. Even though this is a legal story, it is also about human emotion, history, and hope. Millions of people feel personally invested in this case because it touches on identity, representation, and the sense of fairness. The way this trial unfolds will be remembered for years to come. So, as we follow this story together, make sure you stay engaged. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share your opinion in the comments. Ask questions. Talk about what you hope will happen. This is not just news. It is a conversation that affects everyone in Nigeria.